Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a bulk number of products through a CSV spreadsheet. So with this you can upload an unlimited number really. The first thing you need to do though, go to Products and Products, is create one product from scratch on Shop It Near, just like I've done here with this beautiful lamp. Follow the guidance on our video how to list your first product, or the guidance in the Seller Admin Guide to upload one product and understand fully all the different bits of information that you want to put in for your product. Once you've done that product, you can then export it out to a spreadsheet, which will enable you to fill up all the other products on that spreadsheet. So I'm going to go to Administration, I'm going to highlight the product, I'm going to go to Actions and export that product. Make sure on this page that the layouts is set to General, and then click Export up here on the right. We're going to save the file, so click OK, and you'll see that this is flashing at the top here. If you open it, you can select that file to open it up. Right, the information has come through for my test product, but it's all mixed up, so I now need to format it onto this spreadsheet. I'm going to highlight the very first column like this, go up to Data, and click Text to Columns. Then I need to input a few bits of information to make it format correctly. Make sure this is selected as delimited, press Next. In this delimiters section, make sure you've chosen the semicolon and that no other delimiter has been selected, only the semicolon. Ensure that the text qualifier is set to the speech bubbles, and then press Next and Finish. You can see a preview that this is already putting it in the right columns. So press Next and Finish. There, all the information for that product has now been moved into the correct columns. I'm just going to talk you through each column and upload a second product with you so that you can see how that's going to work. The first column is product code. That is obviously unique to each product, so make sure you don't accidentally duplicate any, then the system wouldn't know what to do with that. So I've put in my unique product code. I need to put EN for English here as the language. That's a mandatory column that you need to keep so that Shop It Near can process the import of this spreadsheet correctly. Don't worry about the product ID. Category. So what category does this product fall into? So you can see my test product on the first line was a gift, and it fell into that category. I'm going to copy the category path and put it in here. And if you need to change the category, if the next product falls into a different category, you can amend the different parts of the path. You can refer to the Shop It Near category list. Let me show you where that is. If you go back to the Shop It Near page, to Products and Categories, click on this little arrow here to expand all the categories for Shop It Near. Then you can choose the relevant one for you and drill down to the final pathway that you need. So for example, this next product I'm uploading is going to be an occasion gift. So I'm just going to change that on here by removing that last bit of the birthday gifts pathway. So change the category as you need, then put in the price. So for this one, the list price is the same as the actual price, there's no discount. If you are shipping by weight, so if the price of your shipping changes depending on the weight of your product, make sure you enter the weight of your products in this column. If you haven't chosen a weight dependency for your shipping method, then you don't need to do that. So I'm not going to enter one in here. I've got 10 of these items in stock. I'm not worried about minimum quantity or shipping freight. So what I'm going to do with these is actually delete these columns. The reason I'm going to do that is then it's one less thing for me to do when we get back on the Shop It Near site. So delete any columns that you are not using. Just empty them out of the value and that's fine. I'm not worried about date added for this. So it's not a downloadable product. It's not a file. Keep going through inventory. This is an important column. Make sure you've got B in there. Then it's just going to track your inventory correctly. Free shipping. For this product, I am going to be offering free shipping, so I'm going to put a yes in here. For my test product, that one was not free shipping. For the zero price column, make sure you leave that as R. I'll just expand that to show you. Zero price action. The thumbnail's blank, so I'm going to just delete that. And then I'm going to show you how on this spreadsheet you can actually upload an image for each product as well. So the way you do that is, first of all, look at this pathway. This is the pathway where the beautiful lamp picture is stored on Shop It Near. And I'm going to drag and drop lots of other pictures onto Shop It Near ready for my products. So if you go up to Administration and Files on Shop It Near, you go on to open up this Exim folder, the Backup folder, and the Images folder. This is the beautiful lamp photo that was on my test product, and I have now dropped some more images in of the different products I want to upload on this spreadsheet. So drag and drop as many images as you're going to upload with your spreadsheet. Each one needs to be named individually and correctly, a unique name, so you can tell which image relates to which product on your spreadsheet. So I'm going to be uploading the product that relates to this image, so I'm noting down the name, picture_1 with a capital P. I'm going to go back to this spreadsheet. I'm going to copy this pathway from my test product, copy and paste it into this next line. And then I'm going to delete the name of the beautiful lamp, and like so. Making sure I leave that .jpg file extension. And now I'm going to put in the name of the new picture, so picture_1. That will then link to the picture_1 that I've already dragged and dropped into Shop It Near. So that's just how we're doing our recording of the videos. So the next column I need to fill in is the product name. Obviously quite self-evident, so I'm just going to put occasion gift. Description, you can write as much as you need in here, and then move along. Again, you can get rid of the columns that you don't need, and the only one I'm going to highlight to you is search words. Make sure you type in your search words to help customers find your gift, occasion. I'm including misspellings as well. So those are the only ones that you need to fill in for the import. If you want to add other things like secondary categories, you can always do that later by editing a product on the Shop It Near site. So now I'm going to delete all those other columns that I don't need to make it quicker when I go back onto Shop It Near. Let me show you a spreadsheet I prepared earlier. So this has got 3 additional products plus my test product on there. I've filled in all the fields. You can see I've put my images on, and I've deleted the columns I don't need. So I haven't got too many to do. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to go back to Shop It Near to bring it in. So I go up to Administration and Import Data, Products. I click on this plus button to bring in my new import, and I select the file, the spreadsheet, from here. I open it up. So that's my spreadsheet that I'd saved. Now I press Create. Now what you can do, you've got 2 tabs here. Let me just show you on the Settings tab first of all. If you have got hundreds of products on your spreadsheet, you might want to do a test first. This will test just the first 5 products and import those so you can make sure everything's correct, that you haven't missed out a key column on the spreadsheet, and just make it before you upload all the rest. So do that if you wish. In this example, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to Fields Mapping, and this is the last stage that you need to complete. What you're doing here is telling Shop It Near that the name of the column on your spreadsheet should match to this field on Shop It Near. So product code matches to product code. You can type to make it quicker, and basically they will all be the same. The language, product ID. Here we go. So you just literally type those all in. List price. The quantity of how much you've got in stock. Here we go. Last couple. So if you remember when we were deleting columns, this is why we were doing it, so that you don't have to match empty columns at this stage. So it speeds up the process overall. There we are. So I've done that, and now I just press import. And here we get our little pop-up saying that the new objects, the 3 new objects have been imported, plus the test product. So let's go and have a look at them on our products drop down. And here we go. There's my 3 products that have come in via the spreadsheet, and now I can click on them, add extra information, but they've all come through absolutely fine. And if there's any other additional details you want to put onto your products, you can do so. So don't forget to refer to your Seller Admin Guide for more information, the other videos on the YouTube channel, and do feel free to drop us an email if you have any questions or need any support at support@shopitnear.co.uk. Thank you.